there was a I forget what we used to call it. There's a hiking camping area. I think it's through here in the back road over here. Anyways, you needed special permission because you have to go through a plantation to get there and everything. And so my auntie, she's part of the Hawaii Mountain Trail Clearing Club and stuff. So we have the opportunity to do stuff like that before. But we used to go back there and we used to have like a weekend camp out over there. It's out in the boonies. There's not cabin, you know, camping.
Camping.
And it was such a fun time.
Yeah, I've done camping like as a kid, but I haven't done like legit camping in a really long time. I wonder if you think they're open at 11? They probably are.
I think so.
All right, let's take a look first.
What we're gonna get. And then when I can't decide, I just go to Rainbow.
Yeah.
Or a Matsumoto's or a Hawaiian or...
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you usually get? What'd you go to?
Last time I got mango lily koi, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. We'll just start the line.
Now the line started.
Yeah, no, yeah, that's okay.
No, if this is the line, we're fine.
Yeah, you're right. This is mine.
It's
right?
when that is the line.
Yeah. Huh, there really was no line. All right, you go, Mark. I'm gonna get a small. What are you gonna get?
Yeah, small. Oh. You had this?
No, is that good?
Freeze-dried Skittles with Lihimoi on it.
Wow.
They're like, see how they like explode?
Yeah.
They're really good.
I don't even know about that. Crazy. So I don't know what you want.
Alright, can I have a small mango lily koi, please? No.
And then for you?
Can I get a small rainbow?
Okay. Any topping?
Nah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's gonna be $6.28.
Okay. Got it.
One of these days I'll get azuki beans on it, right?
No,
Not today.
I don't like azuki beans.
Thank you.
Yeah. If you're hungry though, and you're getting a shave ice, you're like, okay, I'll just get that for protein or something. Some more stuff.
Azuki beans is what's inside mochi, right?
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
like, I like that.
Yeah. That's true. If you think about it that way, yeah. Not so bad.
See, it looks less obvious when you have the whole tiny thing.
I know. That's why I like it. I know. It's a pro. Look 2 at a time, right?
Small mango lily koi.
Thank you.
We got a small rainbow.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a rainbow.
Hello. Okay. I'll follow you. We're not watching the Daily Pigeon live with Andy Bumatai. We're at Matsumoto's eating shave ice in Haleiwa. No.
We didn't know we were going to film.
Uh-oh. I think he didn't realize that.
That mango's really good.
You like the mango?
Okay. Maybe I should endorse Matsumoto's. Uh-oh. After all that smack talking about the line. Okay.
But like you said, that's why you go
Make sure to go when it opens. Yeah! I'm guessing. But Vance and I went over to Ali'i Beach and found, some tables, but they were right next to the road.
Oh.
So he was like, okay, let's find something closer, to the beach. And there was one table that opened up.
Well, okay.
But we had this whole setup but I mean, we did the recording and it was fine actually.
It was the hardest thing, yeah. You're hoping for the best because you don't know how the recording's gonna come out until you do it and you listen to it and you're like, oh.
Yeah. my plan was so old that we have been like, they call like grandfathered in.
Oh, okay.
Like over and over and over again. Like there was no, like our plan was not an option anymore. So I couldn't add to it. But they said if you switch to unlimited and move to auto pay, you'll save $5.
Oh, okay, that's cool. Okay.
So now I'm on, thanks to Andy, now I'm on unlimited data, so
Awesome.
I'm just gonna
That's helpful.
send it to him all the time. I teach private lessons. So I teach private lessons in violin, viola, cello, ukulele, guitar, a little bit of beginning piano, but I'm not really a pianist. So I do very, very beginning piano.
That's awesome.
A lot of the students that I have autism,
Okay.
and there's not necessarily a correlation, but definitely some. A lot of people with autism have gifts in different areas.
Right. That's what I heard.
And a lot of my students are very gifted in the area of music. So like kids that you can't really have a conversation with them. There's this thing called echolalia, which is where people echo you or say the same thing back to you.
Okay.
So if you had echolalia and I said, "Hi Luke," you'd say, "Hi Luke," back to me.
Oh, I see.
Rather than saying, "Hi Miles."
Okay.
You know in your brain that you're saying hi, like you're greeting me.
Oh.
You know, you understand that. And
Right.
it's an acknowledgement of, oh, there's another person there.
Right.
But they don't like generate their own necessarily original thought very often.
Got it. Okay.
So, you can't exactly say like, "How's the weather? Tell me about what you did last night." But you can play something on the piano for them, and they echo it perfectly the first time. Yeah. I have a beginning piano student, who he can be listening to a song for the first time and play along to it,
Wow.
like as he's hearing it.
Wow. That's cool. It's incredible.
So,